Have you ever wondered what makes a ball move when you kick it? Or why a balloon sticks to your hair after you rub it? If so, you've been pondering the mysteries of forces, specifically contact and non-contact forces. These two types of forces play a crucial role in our everyday lives, and today we are going to demystify them. Picture this: when you kick a ball, your foot directly interacts with the ball, pushing it forward. This action is a prime example of a contact force. Contact forces, as the name suggests, occur when two objects physically interact with each other. The kick you gave the ball, the friction the ball experiences with the air and the ground, these are all instances of contact forces. Now, imagine that same ball flying through the air after your kick. Even though it's no longer in contact with your foot or the ground, it is still under the influence of a force, gravity. This invisible force pulling the ball back to Earth is a classic example of a non-contact force. Non-contact forces, unlike contact forces, do not require physical contact between objects. Gravity, magnetism, and electrostatic forces are all examples of non-contact forces. Consider rubbing a balloon against your hair. The balloon might stick to your hair or even to a wall. In this scenario, the static charge created generates an electrostatic force, a non-contact force. It's fascinating, isn't it? The balloon in your hair or the wall don't need to be touching for this force to act. To highlight the differences between these two types of forces, consider these points. Firstly, contact forces are born out of direct physical interaction, while non-contact forces arise from fields or waves. Secondly, contact forces operate solely on the point of contact, while non-contact forces act on the entire object. Finally, contact forces can manifest as both push and pull, or scientifically speaking, they can be both attractive and repulsive. Non-contact forces, on the other hand, can be either attractive or repulsive depending on the nature of the force. In summary, forces, whether contact or non-contact, shape the world around us. Contact forces come into play when objects physically interact, while non-contact forces act even without direct contact. Both play an integral part in the dynamics of motion and are fundamental to understanding the physical world. For more enlightening discussions on topics like these, remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Here's to exploring and understanding the wonders of science together.